Hello, today we will guide you through how to apply a credit in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll create a credit memo so you can give a customer a credit for a returned item, a price adjustment, or a courtesy discount. A credit memo reduces what the customer owes and can be applied to their future invoices, so accuracy matters. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into the company you want to work in. From the main dashboard, move your mouse to the Create menu at the top left. Then choose Credit Memo to open the form where you'll record the credit. If you don't see Credit Memo right away, look under the Customers or Sales section of that menu. At the top of the form, select the customer so the credit links to the correct account. Take a moment to confirm the date. These details carry through if you decide to send the credit to the customer. QuickBooks assigns a credit memo number automatically, and you can edit it to match your internal numbering. If you track classes or locations, fill those in as well. Now move down to the Details section and click into the Description field. Use clear wording to explain why you're issuing this credit, such as a returned product, a service adjustment, or a billing correction. Plain, specific descriptions help both you and the customer understand the change later. Next, enter the product or service you are crediting. Choose the correct item, then adjust the quantity, rate, and amount to reflect the credit you want to give. For partial returns, it's often better to change the quantity rather than the rate to keep reporting consistent. If the original charge was taxable, make sure the tax settings here mirror the original transaction. If it wasn't, remove tax so the credit is accurate. When everything looks good, pause for a quick review. Verify the customer name, date, description, amount, and any tax. Small mistakes here can cause confusion on statements, so it's worth a second look. To finish, select Save and Send. You'll see a preview of the email to your customer, personalize the message if you like, then send. If you prefer not to email it, you can simply save and the credit memo will still be recorded in the customer's account. That's it. You've created a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. The credit now appears on the customer's profile and can be applied to their next invoice according to your settings. Clear descriptions and accurate amounts will make reconciliation and customer communication much smoother.